Dear Christopher, here is your friend Thomas the Tank Engine. He wanted to come out of his station yard and see the world. These stories tell you how he did it. I hope you will like them, because you helped me to make them. Your loving Daddy.
Percy puffed along as quickly as he could, but the sun was already rising as he finished his work. Never mind, thought Percy. It's nice to be up and about when it's the start of a new day and there's no one else around. Percy was not alone for long. Bother, said Percy. It's that dizzy thing, Harold. Good morning, whirred Harold. I always said railways were out of date, but you're so slow with the post, you should give everyone their stamps back. Post haste. Percy was too tired to explain. Bird brain, he muttered. Good morning, Percy, called Duck. You're up early. No, you're wrong, sighed Percy. I'm back, tired and late. He rolled into the shed and fell asleep almost before his buffers touched the bar.
Driver says that the person in charge of the mail has complained to Sir Topham Hatt about the delay last night.
Why don't we just kill these fucking people?
Replied Percy. I know, said Thomas.
The next afternoon, Percy passed the airfield and saw Harold. Hello, Lazy Wings. Are you too tired to fly today? The wind's too strong. I've been grounded, grumbled Harold. You need rails, laughed Percy. They work wonders, you know. Always.
Good morning, heard Diesel in an oily voice. Pleased to meet you.
Oh dear, I seem to have spotted a cunt. Good day.
Sorry, my bad. Let's go!
But sir, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Sorry doesn't cut it this time, Gordon. Get off our island!
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He hops and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's a really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so.